In this video I'm going to show you the primitive bodywork caveman, literally caveman methods that I'm using to fabricate this, bend this piece here. So first of all, you need to get yourself some cereal because you'll need the cereal box. Cut out that piece there and then use that as a template to cut this piece out. So a piece of flat bar like that. And then it's very complicated and confusing because there's two curves happening on different planes. So first off, we have this curve here, which goes like that, right? And that's goes that way, like that. But then you also have it going around like that. So I had drawn a line across the center here. And then here it's kind of flat. You've got a flat area here. So first off, I'm using the ridges on the floor that to make this curve this way. There it is. And then I'm using, can't use a flat hammer. It's got to be this round-headed hammer, so it fits in there like that. Okay. Just like that. Then I'm also using a rim as a stand for this. It's an old front axle shaft ball bearing. I use this to make the curve this way. It's almost done. And then for a flat area, I just use the floor literally. How's the highway, man? On those roads I did ride. Sword and pistol by my side. The bastards hung me in the spring of 25, but I'm still alive. Well, I don't think it's going to get much better than that. Without considerable more time, I think this will be good enough. This is very thick, so I have plenty of room to, very forgiving. Let's see. Then it just depends how much. I mean, you gotta have some experience for this, or it's sometimes you gotta hit the piece on the opposite side for it to go the opposite way. So you hit it that way, it actually comes back at you like the. It's kind of hard to explain, but yeah, it's just a matter of experience and how much time you dedicate.